This tutorial is designed to help an individual get an accurate reflection of their skill capability and establish a Sophia profile using SkillsTx. In particular, people who may not have already had prior advice or communication. It explains how the self-assessment surveys and the planner console are used and why producing an as accurate profile as possible should be important to you. The surveys are not intended as a test of your knowledge of Sophia, but rather a uniquely structured way for you to take your best shot at translating and matching what you are currently capable of doing to the Sophia framework. After completing the self-assessment surveys, you are provided the opportunity to fine-tune or adapt your self-assessment profile easily using the SkillsTx Planner Console. The Planner Console and your skills profile can then be used to plan future career changes, choices, and actions. Producing an accurate Sophia skill profile is vital for you to be able to exploit the outcomes. So I'll explain how your profile data is able to be used to your advantage as well as for your organization where that is appropriate. Having developed an accurate skill profile, you are then able to match it against the skill profile of your current job. Any skill gaps could then be considered as skill development opportunities, and any latent skills you may have outside of your current job or role could be seen as additional skill potential. You can then match your profile against a desired or a future job. Some of the matching skills may be shared, and the gaps between your current skill profile and your desired job profile are additional skill development opportunities. Some of those opportunities may indeed be shared between both your current and your desired job, so choosing to remedy the shared gaps will be of even greater benefit. And you will be able to do all of this easily from within your Planner console. From an organizational management perspective, they're able to see the whole of the organization's skills and an accurate mapping of jobs and roles to people skills, including, of course, where there are skill gaps. The skill gaps, of course, can lead to skill development opportunities for everyone. The ability for the organization to also see what latent skills are available can lead to business opportunities for the organization and exciting opportunities for the individual. The organization is able to use the powerful analytics to do all of this. So let's look at why it's important to have an accurate skill profile. Should you choose to overrate your skills, you need to bear in mind that you will be expected to perform the skill to the level selected at any time, leading to possibly continually feeling outside your comfort zone, and that can lead to job dissatisfaction. And very importantly, you may miss out on skill development opportunities. For the organization, they will expect individuals to perform the skill to the level selected at any time and may not realize why they are having staff retention issues. Development opportunities will be overlooked for those individuals. What if you choose to underrate your skills? You may, of course, miss out on job or role opportunities. A less challenging role can also lead to job dissatisfaction, and you could be wasting development opportunities by targeting less appropriate training or intervention actions. From an organizational perspective, they could be missing opportunities to promote individuals to more challenging roles, and this could lead to unnecessary recruitment and the costs associated with those. And once again, staff retention may be misdiagnosed. And of course, incorrectly targeted training and development leads to budget wastage. Skills belong to an individual, and individuals have a history and have often gained skills outside of their current role or organization, and may even have gained appropriate skills outside of the IT industry. So if you do not also consider these skills, once again you may miss out on job or role opportunities, and you may in fact be able to offer new business opportunities to the organization based on your latent skills, which in turn can improve job satisfaction and organizational loyalty. From an organizational perspective, once again, missed promotion opportunities and unnecessary recruitment are relevant. Individuals' latent skills can lead to new business opportunities for the organization and better staff empowerment. When establishing your skills profile, SkillsTx caters for personal preferences, different levels of Sophia knowledge and understanding, different situations and hybrid approaches. We achieve this adaptability through having very structured and well laid out surveys, and then being able to skip complete surveys or being able to skip a survey partway through. Question skipping based on prior answer selection, and having the SkillsTx planner use an alternative method and interface for presenting and capturing skills. You are able to use the planner interface to modify and tailor your profile after the surveys, set up your profile from scratch after skipping surveys, producing a new skills profile report based on changes. So you can define your skills profile based on your severe knowledge and understanding and your personal preferences and circumstances using a combination of surveys and the planner. By doing some preparation using the severe guides, you can reduce the time you spend in surveys and in the planner. Using the structured surveys is recommended if you have little or no prior knowledge of severe, as both a mechanism for obtaining an accurate profile and to gain a better understanding of severe. A hybrid method of using the surveys and skipping to build a basic skills profile, then using the planner to finalize it can be a pragmatic approach. Once in the planner, you'll be able to continue to manage and maintain your self-assessed severe skills profile. And that concludes this tutorial.